Today I'm going to be talking about Chrome flags. This is a part 2 video, so if you didn't see my part 1, it just talks about some other Chrome flags. You don't need to see it, but if you want to, you can. So yeah, now if you don't know what Chrome flags are basically an experimental feature that Chrome is doing, so you can enable these experimental features on your Chrome, and it's really cool. So how to go there is you have to type Chrome ://flags, and you go to this page. So the first Chrome flag I'm going to be talking about is quick commands. Just type quick commands. So click here, click on the enable option, and click on relaunch. Don't worry, just like when it relaunches, it just relaunches Chrome and it does not remove any of your tabs. But if you're watching like a video, you're halfway through it or something, when you relaunch it, it'll make you go back to the beginning. But other than that, that's it. When you relaunch, it won't do anything. So, quick commands is like quick commands. It's self-explanatory. You can do this in any tab. So click on Control Space, and you'll see this. And as you can see, you can enter any tabs or windows. You can click on, and you can do so many stuff, like open all these stuff, open bookmarks, open extension store and stuff like that. And you can do a new Google Doc, new Google Form, new Google Meet, create new incognito mode, create new tab. Just endless amount of stuff, and just with the click of a button, you can do anything. And for example, like right here, if these type stuff, for example, next tab, like as you can see, this is already a feature on Chrome, and as you can see, there's no shortcut to a new Google Doc, but for these type of stuff, you can click on whatever shortcut it says there. So yeah, or just click on it. So yeah, it's a really cool Chrome flag, and I think everybody should have it. It's really cool, and I use it every single day. The next one is download. Yeah, enable download bubble. Click on enable, relaunch. And now you have this download button. So how it works is that what image or something should it download? Okay, I guess letters. So I'm just gonna download a random image, I guess this. So when you download an image, save, you can see the download bubble comes up, and it can show you all the recently downloaded stuff, and you can see done. And also, while a file is downloading, you can click on cancel, and you can click on show all downloads, and you can see all the downloads. By the way, this URL is Chrome ://downloads if you really want to know. So yeah, this is also pretty cool Chrome flag. So yeah, the next one is reading mode. So type reading mode, and you'll see this. Click here, click on enable, relaunch. And what happens is that, the bookmark, or not the bookmark, the side panel, right? This icon, you can click here and you'll see a new option called reading mode. So how this works, let me find an article, I guess. Let me see this. Okay, so how this works is you click here, right? Now, when you know, like in these type of websites, you see all these random ads. Now, what you can do is you can highlight something right here, right? And you highlight, and now in reading mode, it'll show you really cleanly, and you can change the font size. The font. You can change the font size, as I told you. You can there's like a bunch of features. You can make the background whatever you want, and also it doesn't need to be all highlighted while you're reading it. And yeah, and when you click out, it's done and it's ready for use again. It's pretty cool. I really like it. And yeah, now the last two Chrome flags I'm going to be showing you are like, I guess, Chrome flags to a Chrome flag. Like, it's basically like, let's say, plain Google, right? And you add an extension to it and makes your experience better. It's like one Chrome flag and you add another Chrome flag to it, it makes your experience better. So I'm going to show you it. It's called tab scrolling. Now, when you click here, you can click on enable if you want to, but all these other stuff is that, you know, sometimes your tabs shrink, right? So right here it says, when tabs shrink to a medium width, then I'll enable tab scrolling and stuff like that. Now, I personally like the enable tabs that don't shrink. So like enable when the tabs don't really shrink, but when there's like a lot of tabs. So yeah, click on relaunch. And now let's do this. So right here, as you can see, you can scroll through the tabs. There are a few buttons that you can use to scroll through it. But as I was telling you, there's another flag that makes this experience better. There's like a lot, and I'm going to show you. So, not just one, actually. So, this one, you know the buttons, right? You can arrange it in wherever you want. So, you can put all the buttons to the right, to the left, or both sides. I like the both sides, and as you can see, now the buttons are on both sides. And the other Chrome flag is tab scrolling with dragging. I'll do constant speed. So now you can scroll through the tabs while doesn't work. Thought it did. Okay, sorry about that. Do not enable the tab scrolling with dragging. Default relaunch. So these are all the Chrome flags I'm going to be showing to y'all today. And if you're wondering how to disable or like just remove them, click here, click on default. Do not click on disable. Just click on default. So yeah, you can do this to everything, or if you just want to delete all the Chrome flags at once, just click on reset all, relaunch, and all the Chrome flags will be removed in just one button. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was pretty useful. Bye!